games. Bishop here, rook here. Okay, castle then rook here. Okay, here, here. I can take no. First, I have to move my rook. Then I can take the knight. Okay. Now I can take this knight. So my queen can move somewhere. Okay. So attack the knight. Somebody no bear. Hello everyone. Welcome to the stream. You can take. Bring the knight here. You can take here. I have just threatened a mate. Okay, so now threat is this. Bring the rook here, another rook comes here. This is very tough, but okay. Okay, so I have the free rook now. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so there is a 1, 2, and 3 move. I have the free rook. I did not recognize it. Okay, so check. Best opening. I am a beginner. So the Joko piano is the good for the beginners. Okay. Move the knight back. Then here. Just mess up. Yeah. I just mess up a game. Okay, so let's attack this rook. He is planning something, but I could not understand. He has the pass pawn. Whoa, whoa. Take. I don't understand the plans. Check. And he just resigned, yeah.